and he won by a landslide. Guys, that is the type of leader we need, because we've seen that leadership in our own governor, in Kim Reynolds.
They can throw a blizzard at us, and we are going to fight. They can throw a wind chill at us, and we are going to fight. Donald Trump is running for his issues. Haley's running for the donors' issues. I'm running for your issues, your family's issues, and solely to turn this country around. No one else running except me has delivered on 100% of their promises. So we have a record of leadership that is second to none. And I'm sick of Republicans. You see what they're doing right now in Washington and with these senators doing some border agreement, which is basically caving on everything to the Democrats. These guys get beat by the Democrats time and time again. They've got a majority in the House, and Chip and some of these other guys are fighting, but they're doing budget deals that cave to the Democrats. I'm sick of the Democrats winning. I'm sick of the fact that the Democrats beat Donald Trump on the budget time and time again, and they added so much to the debt. I'm sick of the fact that the Democrats beat him on the border wall, and we did not get a border wall over 4 years like we were promised. I don't think he's up to saying, you don't want to talk right now? No, okay. I'm asking for your support on Monday night. I'll be a candidate that will help sweep us to victory all across the land. I'll be a leader that you can always be proud of. And as your president, I will win these fights for you. I will lead this country, and I promise I will not let you down. Thank you all. God bless.
To their child in school. Beat Biden. Trump against Biden, they're head-to-head. On a good day, Trump might be up by 2 points.
The reason I came here today is I wanted to see Nikki Haley and see what she had to say. I think she's going to be a good candidate for president, and she's a strong woman, and she'll be able to lead this country forward. She's very smart.
They made the corporate tax cuts permanent, but they made the small business tax cuts temporary. We'll put 25.
I am going to support Nikki Haley, and the other two, I think they're good, okay candidates, but not like Nikki Haley by far.
Well, yes, I'm a liberal, and I'm very happy with the incumbent president, but I hope the Republicans will nominate somebody who I think is worthy of the position.
Love our country. I'm doing this for my daughter, Raina, who's here with us today, who just got married. Popular votes for president. That's nothing to be proud of.
I am curious about how things are going to be on Monday for the caucus goers, because many people in Iowa live out of town, and many people are older, and it's going to be very interesting to see how turnout comes out.
Another hard truth. I think President Trump was the right president at the right time. I agree with a lot of his policies. But rightly or wrongly, chaos follows him. You know I'm right. Chaos follows him. And we can't have a country in disarray and a world on fire and go through 4 more years of chaos. We won't survive it. You don't defeat Democrat chaos with Republican chaos. If you ask, why should we care about Israel? The reason we should care about Israel is because on that horrific day of October 7th, when they beheaded those people and burned those babies alive and took those girls from the concert and raped them and dragged their naked bodies through the streets of Gaza, what did they say? Death to Israel, death to America. That's why we care about Israel. If we support Ukraine and we support Israel, that's only 5% of our defense budget. Russia said once they take Ukraine, Poland and the Baltics are next. Those are NATO countries. That puts America at war. This is about preventing war. It's always been about preventing war. That's why we should give Ukraine the equipment and ammunition they need to win. Russia has hit rock bottom. We know that. And then when it comes to the border, it truly is a dereliction of duty. I can't believe we're watching what's happening in America right now. We've got to get it under control. As governor of South Carolina, I passed the toughest illegal immigration law in the country. President Obama sued us over it, and we won. We will do what we did in South Carolina and go national with it. That was the easy part. When we got home, life got hard. We will defund sanctuary cities once and for all. No more safe havens in America. We'll put 25,000 Border Patrol and ICE agents on the ground and let them do their job. And then we'll go back to the Remain in Mexico policy and not even let illegals step on American soil to start with. And instead of catch and release, we'll go to catch and deport. You gotta send them back. That's the only way to stop them from being incentivized to come here in the first place. We will close the border. He couldn't hear loud noises. He couldn't be in crowds. Life had passed him by. We love our boys, but we have to raise strong girls. I'm talking to all you girl dads and all you strong moms. We have to raise strong girls because strong girls become strong women and strong women become strong leaders. And none of that happens if you have biological boys playing in girls' sports. We've got to cut that out. We'll make sure that we get the EPA out of the way. We'll speed up the permitting. We'll allow the Keystone Pipeline. We'll export as much liquefied natural gas as we can. We'll do nuclear power. And yes, we will do biofuels. We'll turn it into the industry we know it can be. If you will join with me in this movement, if you will caucus for us on Monday, I promise you that our best days are yet to come. Thank you very much. God bless you. I appreciate it.
We know that we have a substantially higher lift, as far as actually driving turnout, persuading voters, any of those efforts, when we can speak to them face to face.
Oh, there's Andrew. Hey, Andrew, my name is Drew with AFC Action.
Oh, you are?
We've gone through a lot of them.
Yes.
Hey, Wendy, it's Carrie Lake. How are you doing?
So I'm a private business owner. I'm a small business owner as of 2 weeks ago.
I really think that Trump would be the best candidate because he can deal with the world leaders and the business aspect of things.
Just like any tips for